talking about the families I've met whose spiraling premiums and out-of-pocket expenses are pushing them into bankruptcy or forcing them to go without the checkups or prescriptions they need. We've been talking about energy for decades. This is what the debate in Congress is all about. Whether we'll keep talking and tinkering and letting this problem fester as more families and businesses go under and more Americans lose their coverage. This week, I'll be talking about that new foundation when I head to Elkhart County in Indiana, a city hard hit not only by the economic crisis of recent months, but by the broader economic changes of recent decades. We're not just talking about Americans in poverty either. We're talking about middle-class Americans. And we're talking about simple dreams. I want to see this meeting turn into political theater, with each side simply reciting talking points and trying to score political points. That's what I'd like to spend a few minutes talking with you about. We've been talking for a long time about how to do that, about how to make sure Social Security is healthy enough to cover the higher costs that are kicking in now that baby boomers are retiring. And the other day, I was talking about education with some folks in the backyard of an Albuquerque home. And someone asked a question that stayed with me. Around kitchen tables, I'm pretty sure you're talking about other things, about your family finances, or maybe the state of the economy in your hometown, about your kids and what their futures will bring. That's why, next week, I've invited the leadership of both parties to the White House for a real and honest discussion. Because I believe that if we stop talking at one another and start talking with one another, we can get a lot done. It has been a tough few years for our country and in Central High School, a school that's turning itself around on behalf of its kids. I came here with Jeb Bush, former governor of this state. We've just come through the worst recession since the Great Depression. Maybe it's just asking about their day or taking a walk together, but the smallest moments can have the biggest impact. Talking with folks about my blueprint for an economy built to last. It's a blueprint that focuses on restoring the things we've always. Over the last few months, I've been talking about a choice we face as a country. Talking to students about how we can make higher education more affordable. And what's at stake right now if Congress doesn't do something about it. You see, if Congress doesn't act, on July 1st,